Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how to make these quick and easy fabric wrapped bangle bracelets so you can start using up all those scraps that I know you have in your stash. Alright, let's go ahead and jump into the materials that you will need.
Alright, you're going to need some scrap fabric, some fabric Mod Podge, something to apply it with, some fabric scissors to cut the fabric, some bangle bracelets, and optional ribbon. Okay, so when cutting out your scraps, you want to cut out as long a strip as possible. So this one here measures 45 inches by about almost 3 inches. And just in case this doesn't fit, I have a backup piece here. Now for my 1-inch bracelet, I didn't have enough to do a long one, so I'm going to use 2 pieces to wrap around here. Alright, so before you begin wrapping, what you want to do is fold it in, and then you want to take your iron and press. Okay, that's going to give clean edges before we begin wrapping. Alright, so after you're done pressing, it should look something like this. Now when we get ready to wrap, we'll have clean edges on the inside and the raw edges will be hidden.
Alright, so the first thing that you want to go ahead and do is take some of that fabric Mod Podge and place it on the inside of the bracelet, and just a little bit. You're not going to do it all the way around. This is just to get you started. Then go ahead and take your strip and place it on the inside where you applied your glue and secure the strip in place. Then the next thing you want to begin doing is just begin wrapping. So as I pull it through, when I start to wrap, I apply some more glue on the inside. And then as I begin wrapping, I pull tight and then I wrap at an angle. This will help so that the bracelet starts to become covered. So you're pulling through and wrapping at an angle. And don't forget to apply glue as you're wrapping around. So I'm demonstrating here how to go ahead and wrap at that angle so that you can maximize the amount of fabric that you're using. All right. Now, when you get, as you can see, I've come to the end of this strip and I don't have enough to keep wrapping. So what I'm going to do is cut this strip so that I can secure it on the inside. So now I'm going to go ahead and open up that flap and take some of my fabric Mod Podge, and I'm going to apply that there so that it will be hidden. Alright, next what you want to do is add some glue to that end point and a little bit on the bracelet as well. You're going to take your next strip, and right where you left off you want to apply the strip on the inside and secure it in place, and then you want to continue wrapping. Now I'm going to punch in a little bit closer here so you can see how I do my wrapping technique. So when I'm wrapping, as you can see, I come to the edge of where I left off and then I proceed to wrap at an angle. This is really going to help you to maximize the fabric that you have. So wrap, pull through, pull tight, come to the edge where you left off and wrap again. And make sure that you don't have any gaps and that the bracelet underneath is not showing. So just go as far as possible to the edge so that you cannot see the bracelet, and you're going to just continue wrapping. Alright, and once you get to the end and the entire bracelet is covered, you want to go ahead and cut off any excess that you may have. And then what you want to do is at the end of that piece, we want to hide this raw edge. So go ahead and apply some Mod Podge at the tip, fold it to hide that raw edge. And then on the inside of the bracelet, you want to take some Mod Podge, apply it on the inside, pull that in nice and tight, and then go ahead and secure it down in place, and you are all finished. Just let it dry.